Welcome to TikTok Shop Connector by SedCommerce. In this video, we'll show you how to create a category template and map your Shopify products to the right TikTok Shop category. From the app dashboard, go to the left panel and click Category Template. On the Category Template page, click Add Template to create a new template. First, enter a name for your category template so you can easily identify it later. Next, choose how you want to assign products to this template. For manual product selection, click Add Products to choose the Shopify products you want to map through this template. The product selection window, search for products using SKU or title. Select the products you want and then click Done. Once added, the app shows the total number of products selected under this template. Now move to Select Product Category and search for the TikTok Shop category that best matches your products. Then select the correct category from the list. Scroll further to configure shipping-related details. Here, you can define values such as package measurement unit, package dimensions, and package weight. For some fields, you can either use a Shopify attribute or enter a custom value manually. Select the option that best fits your product data. Enter the package length, width, and height in the selected unit. Then select the weight attribute or set a custom package weight if needed. Next, move to Select Attribute Mapping. This section helps you provide the additional product details required by TikTok Shop. Expand Product Required Attributes and fill in the mandatory details needed for the selected TikTok Shop category. You can also add optional product attributes to add more product details and make your listings more complete. If applicable, add variation attributes and map variation-related information for your products. Next, configure the warehouse settings for this template. You can use the warehouse already defined in Global Configuration or set a custom warehouse for this category template. If needed, choose a custom pricing rule for this template. You can use the global configuration or apply a fixed or percentage-based pricing rule specifically for these products. Once all required details are filled in, click Save to create the category template. After saving, the app confirms that the profile has been saved successfully. You'll now be redirected to the category template listing page, where you can see the newly created template along with its mapped category, rules, and total.
Products.